California Senator Kamala Harris probably wasn't expecting much of pushback at her campaign stop in Iowa Monday, when the Medicare for All advocating leftists stopped at the Bickford Senior Living Center in Muscatine. One resident point-blank told the 2020 presidential contender to not mess with her health care and questioned how on earth she planned to pay for it. The video released by the GOP War Room shows that a woman calls Sen. Harris over, saying, "Can I ask you a question? I understand that you are advocating health care for everyone." The unidentified woman says to Harris, "Yes, ma'am." Harris responds, "Who's going to pay for it?" The woman asks. Senator Harris then defends her stance, saying, "Well, we're going to pay for it," Harris replied. "Because right now, let me tell you something, we're all paying for health care for everyone in emergency rooms." The woman, clearly not buying what Harris is selling, rebuts the senator by saying, "No, we're not, leave our health care system alone," the woman remarks. "We don't want you to mess with it." Harris then asks if the woman is on Medicare. It's unclear what the woman says, but Harris then ends the conversation and says, "Well, I want to make sure your health care is the way you like, so I'll promise you that, as Guy has covered." Harris has never really given a clear answer about her health care plan. And if she has, then she flip-flops on the subject via Guy. Kamala Harris's tortured healthcare gyrations have been quite a sight to behold, and it finally looks as if some fellow Democrats may be ready to call her out on the subject. Harris has flipped and flopped all over the place over her support for single-payer healthcare, and the elimination of private insurance. Her latest, absurdist manipulation is to pretend, against all evidence, that she could implement a Medicare for All regime without raising taxes on the middle class, which is literally impossible. We've shared the math before, and we'll share it again. Setting aside the system-wide disruptions and serious access problems, this policy would require gigantic tax increases on all U.S. taxpayers. Let's block ads.